Hi, Davi here, and today we have a new episode in the Art Review series, and today we'll be checking out the work of Pink Banana Style here on Instagram. So I found this artist recently, and I was so captivated by... I just like these pages where it's filled up with a bunch of different sketches, and it got me going. I remember seeing this, and I was like, oh shit, I just felt like I needed to draw just because of how fun this looks. I'm not sure if they do it all in the same page, or maybe they do it separately and then they compile it into one page. I'm not sure. The point is, seeing all of these different types of sketches in one frame looks really, really fun. So wait, what are they? They're video game lover and creator, character concept artist. Okay. Yeah. Right? Now you can tell they're very focused on people because, again, character concept artists, but it's also kind of diverse, not just the subjects. Like some of them are just like portraits. You can see some different styles. This one's a bit more like cartoonized, stylized. This one's a little more realistic or semi-realistic. And I do like how they're using blues or this kind of bluish pencil. Looks really good. And adding like these pink things on the side, it helps make your sketches pop out a bit more. I mean, you could just leave the sketches alone as it is, but adding like stuff like that, like these extra elements, I think it just helps to make it more fun, appealing, right? And that's what I felt like. I just felt like these are... I felt fun, even though I myself haven't done... I did not do these, but just by looking at it, it looks so cool. But let me just read the text here. So Wimbledon starts today, and I thought I'd do a few tennis sketches. Okay. I actually saw Nadal and Federer once, because we went to a tennis game in Abu Dhabi, somewhere, and it had a tennis ball signed by Federer. So Roger Federer. So I'm kind of a big shot in that way. So there you go. Oh, and my dad had like a picture of him and Nadal. He just met him in like an airport. So that was kind of cool. Like before the actual game, I think. Just by sheer accident or coincidence. Pretty cool. Yeah, and their style, just looking at their faces, it's a little more semi-realistic. Like it's not too anime. This is so funny. The guy in the middle. It's a little more in between. Oh, look at the anatomy of this guy. Oh wow. He looks like a zombie, like a Frankenstein character. Just because of the stitches and everything. Reminds me a little bit of Mahito. Is it Mahito from Jujutsu Kaisen? Oh yeah. Sorry. Oh, pew pew. Look at this guy. Oh, look at them feet. Right? It just looks so fun. And they do add some shadow, right? For the blue sketches, and then everything else is just like white. The shadow is kind of like the mid-tone in a way. I'm not sure what they're using. I'm guessing they're sketching on their iPad. It looks like it. I'm not sure. Goddess. Did they say? Let me just see the description. Did they say it? Expedition. I'm guessing it's from a game. Japan, colored. Oh, I have no idea. Oh, I like the different hairstyles. Look at that. Let me just see the context here. Are they doing like a study? Random sketches that I like to doodle on all my million of layers while I think about what I want to draw. I often quickly sketch faces to get into the flow or to stay in my comfort zone when I'm struggling with something. I could do endless of posts like this. Oh, so faces are their kind of character, or sorry, their comfort subject. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And it kind of fits why they would be a character concept artist, just because it's sort of related, right? And they have a strong liking to the subject. I like the anatomy. It's kind of loose, but it's definitely a lot more deep. It has more anatomical like structure in there, or it's capturing some of those nuances a bit. Like it's not to like straight lines only or something like that. It's a little more. You know what? Maybe I'd recommend the work of Loish a little bit. Loish. Who's the other guy? Like Maki something? Is it Maki? Yeah, I prefer the blue pencils or drawings. Oh wait, who's this? I'm guessing. Oh, they do a lot of fan art of games. So, I mean, they did say they're a video game lover, so they're kind of a gamer girl. I think they're okay. Self-portrait. Oh, is that an iPad? Okay, no idea. I just saw this box and I assumed it was like an iPad. Interesting. Congrats on the 1K. They're now at 5K, so you can add to those numbers. I do recommend you follow them, right? Pretty cool. Oh, did we skip? Oh, this one's a lot more painted. Oh, wow. What's the context? Oh. Interesting. Yeah, so she's very into game art stuff. Which is kind of interesting because you do need to consider design a lot more. You can't just paint anything you want, which is kind of where I am. So I just have fun with the strokes. Oh, it's the 86. Go watch this anime. Yeah, same. I do recommend this anime. 2 seasons, but they're good, solid anime, and it finishes well. Like there's no like a missing seasons. Like it's not cut off in that way. Like you have a solid ending. So yeah. Although I still wish they would, expand on it a little bit because the anime is really that good. To me, anyway, and to her. So there you go. Lots of people do enjoy the show. I'm guessing this is mermaid or mermaid. My guess. Is it mermaid? Oh, mermaid. Yeah. So it's kind of a challenge during May. People just draw mermaids. Mermaid. Oh, she's kind of reminds me a little bit of Ursula from the Ariel movie. Oh, back then she was more of an orange person. Notice the background, and then she switched over to the blue side. There you gonna go. Yeah, I like these ones more. It's so, I don't know. Cool. Oh, she's hot. Oh, it's a collab? Wait, let me read it. Congratulations to Nora on the 5K. This is my entry and my first. What the hell is that? DTIS? DTYS? IYS? Oh, so it's more of an homage. So I'm not sure which one is her work. But yeah. Cool. Look at that. Okie dokie. What's this? Oh, what's from the Fallout show? Oh, the one with the bomb thing? I haven't seen the series, but I do remember seeing in the trailer they had like a bomb go off. A nuke. Kinda my type. So one sketch with some color, still figuring out her final outfit for the show. What? Oh, it's an OC original character, okay. Oh, that's a big hammer. And I do like her shoulder. She's kind of a broad-shouldered chick. Kinda makes sense that she would be... Although I would assume she would use more of a sword, like a big, long sword. But a hammer works, right? Pretty cool. I like it. Oh, what do you call these sleeves where it's not... They're like leggings, but they're for the arms? Interesting. And I'm guessing it just helps warm your forearms, right? Super cool. Yeah. Like you can tell they belong in the character concept kind of world. Oh wow. I'm just seeing this one. Damn, what the frick? Oh, is that a scar? Pretty cool. And it's not just the design, right, of the actual character, but the emotion. Like, who are they? Like, how can you show that for your art? It can't just be like, oh, the front view, the back view. I mean, there is that side to things, but I think what makes character concept art also cool, or even more cool, is the feelings that you can feel as the viewer, right? And you develop, certain attachments because, excuse me, maybe they relate to you or something like that. Oh, my knee hurts. Oh no, might be gout. It's so over. Oh well. Is this Final Fantasy? It is. Yeah. So they have a bunch more sketches here. Lots more to say, but it's essentially the amount of sketches. And the focus too. I mean, yeah, it's kind of varied in that way. It's sort of a very how do you say it? It feels like they're exploring all sorts of topics, but they definitely have a focus. It's on people, on characters. But I like seeing this whole batch of sketches, and yeah, it's just very motivating to see. So I do recommend you check out their work, sub or follow them on Instagram, and yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.